Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Sagittarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Sagittarius. Let's do a general collective reading for your person and third party situation. The third party can be their new person, family, friend. So take as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your person and third party are getting along. What your person thinks about you now. Messages from your partner for you, tarot advice for you. This reading is for people who are not in contact with their person. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. Note it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and messages are not for you. So let's get started. As I have already shuffled the cards, how your third party situation looking from outside, like outside, how does it look? I have 5 of wands, 7 of cups. I think you are hearing from them. Sorrow. So third party situation, I think they are having lot of fight and sorrow. They are not happy with each other. They are looking the ways to work this out, this relationship out. They both are looking for ways to work this relationship. Okay, so what is the hidden truth of this situation? King of wands, 10 of swords, and comparison. Okay, so they feel that this third party always compares them to some other person who is good looking than them. I think so, huh? And they feel very betrayed and they feel that this situation is hurting them very brutally, because this third party is comparing them. King of wands or queen of wands is most of the time the third party. So this third party wants a change. This is 5 comparison. The number is 5. So this third party wants a change, because they keep comparing. Yeah, and they feel very brutally hurt because of this. So that's the truth of their relationship. That is why this person, I think both are sad and both are fighting and they're trying to work this out. Okay, so what do they think about you in a alone time? So they think, okay, 5 of swords again. How many fives are there? I don't know. Wheel of fortune and creator. So whenever this your person is alone, he thinks that he did very bad. He played very dirty mind games with you. So he asks for, he prays to God to change this time or change this scenario for you, so that, mm, how to tell you, he's praying to God to change his time for whatever he did to you. Okay, there's dirty mind games what he played with you, and hopes that he will get a chance with you someday. That is what he thinks. Someday he's now into praying mode only. I think he prays a lot, he meditates a lot. Okay, what truth your person didn't know about third party? The truth about, okay, ace of swords, 8 of cups, conditioning. Conditioning is a, like wolf in, see, can you see this card? Conditioning is like, mm, they think that this third party was wearing a mask with them, or he or she is thinking that this other person, this third party, was very clever with them, and after giving them a new start, this ace of swords, after realizing this truth, he wants to walk away. 8 of cups, he wants to walk away from this third party. Okay, so what action should you take about your person, as you know there is a third party? Okay, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Wands, go with the flow. So cards are advising you that what action you should take. You should just stop thinking about this third party. Like whatever they are going through, let them go through. Just turn your back to both of them and just move forward. Be single. Like you are a pre-empress, you are into a pre-empress, you are pretty good, you are doing good. So go with the flow. So what action you should take? You should just go with the flow. Whatever is happening, just watch it from afar. Be into this abundant place and just ignore them for a while. That is what cards are telling you to take a action. So presently what is happening with your person is Emperor, Two of Wands, and schizophrenia. Okay. So your person wants to take control of the situation, but he is into he feels that he is into two ends of the two worlds. See here again, two. Can you see that? See. So he wants to come back to you, but he is just thinking about it, and he wants to take control of the situation, how to handle both of you and how to come back, or he is just trying to find a way regarding it. I hope it resonates till now. So please make a energetic donation by liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. It gives me motivation to keep making more videos. So let's continue with your reading. So what are the messages from your person? What does he think about you now? What he wants to tell you that he is not able to speak with you? Cards, give me some messages. Okay. See, he played very dirty mind games with you. Yeah. Okay. I think with this Emperor card, he is very a little bit egoistical also. So, what he is saying that I'm healing from reality. It just work in progress. It's just work in progress. So this person is healing. He want as he has come to know that this is a wolf in sheep's clothing. This third party. So he's healing from this reality. He has come to know this truth now. I still love you regardless of how things seem. So he is saying that he still loves you. I thought lying was easy than telling you the truth. So this is explaining this card, Five of Swords. Like whatever mind games he played with you, he never told you any truth. So I thought lying was easy than telling you the truth. That is why he is into this confusing mode. Like how do I come back home, or how do I come back to you? Whom do I choose and what do I do? Okay, what other message? You are song of my heart. You are muse. I'm stuck in my ego. So he's still finding his way back to you from his ego, because he can see that you are a pretty person. So what are advice for you from universe? Here are three cards: Prince of Wands, Four of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. So soon you will hear from them. He will come back to you very passionately. Maybe, yeah, I can see this. Here is the lover card also. So he is very physically attracted to you. And advice for you is just work on yourself, work on your money, and you might get. You are in relay. This person is your twin flame. Can you see this 1111? Yeah. So, and he might offer you. Queen of Pentacles is normally wife card. So he might tell you that he want to marry you. So be ready for this messages. I mean, like he might come and just communicate with that to you. So if reading has resonated, please comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light, Sagittarius.